Is it trouble on Dalal Street? Because this trouble we're talking about seems to be coming all the way from Washington. And why are we saying so? Because as markets opened today, both key benchmark indices took a sharp tumble, reacting to the weak global cues and also growing uncertainty over US's reciprocal tariffs, which are going to kick in starting tomorrow. So we are giving you an update that came in at around 9:25 this morning. The BSE Sensex dropped at around dropped about 408 points, slipping to about 76,775. While the NSE Nifty 50 was also down over 82 points, trading at 23,339. The markets have recovered, but what is the larger situation? How is it connected to the global tariff atmosphere? For that, to explain the same, we have Hina joining us on the phone line. Hina, put this into context for investors, put this into context for the people of the country, because here there seems to be a sense of fear, there's a sense of jitters in the markets ahead of April 2nd. Why is that so?
Well, that's how markets always react. Whenever there is a big event that's likely to happen, there is a bit of uncertainty that, comes into the market. And that's exactly what we are seeing today. It's 1st of April, the beginning of a new financial year for India as well. And from tomorrow onwards, that 2nd of April, the Trump tariffs are going to kick in. So, Sagarika, we still do not know the fine print as to how exactly is that going to impact a country like India. Because remember, just yesterday, Donald Trump has made it very clear that there are not going to be any kind of exception. So even though Trump considers India as his great friend, there is a amazing camaraderie between him and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But despite that, he's made one thing very clear: there are going to be no exceptions. So if you're charging Trump about 100% on a particular commodity, then be prepared to pay 100% back, because that's what Trump reciprocal tax is all about. So that's something that's adding to a bit of nervousness on Dalal Street today. Even though markets opened a bit lower, Sensex was down about 600 odd points, there has been a smart recovery. But now as we speak, Sensex is down about 331 odd points. It's barely managing to hold above 77,000 mark. As far as the Nifty is concerned, even Nifty is down about 44 odd points. It's also below 24,000 mark. So there is a bit of nervousness that's creeping in. Markets are looking forward to the fine print as to what exactly will this Trump reciprocal tariff mean for a country like India, plus a couple of data points that's expected from the United States of America this week. That's also keeping markets here in India on tenterhook. So clearly we are reacting to what's happening globally. All eyes are going to be on the big announcements tonight, and tomorrow we will get to know whether this volatility is going to continue for some more time, or we are there for some kind of stability, because in Indian markets, the stability had just started coming in. If you recall, a few weeks ago, markets were bleeding, Sensex as well as Nifty. Just a few weeks ago, things started looking better. So tomorrow, of course, a better direction in terms of where we are headed as investors, that's expected.
Yes, so experts are also saying, Hina, that this could impact multiple sectors such as tech and many other such sectors until a formal deal is in fact in place, until a formal fine print is in place, and every tariff headline will move the market. So is it going to be about a few moments of volatility, or are we going to look at some sustained impact, Hina?
Well, if you recall, even before these reciprocal tariffs for a country like India, kicked in, I mean, they are expected to kick in from 2nd of April, Trump had already announced tariffs for Canada, Mexico, and then it also got, a reciprocal tariff from those countries as well. So is it going to be beginning of a trade war is something that the world is fearing, and that is the reason why there is a lot of uncertainty. So far, we can't really say anything till Trump actually tells us, what is it going to really mean for the world, and what kind of trade deal is India having with the United States of America. So it's not really going to be sector specific, but an overall impact is what we should be facing.
Thank you, Hina, for getting us all those details. And we have some breaking news now coming in. We're going to quickly shift our focus to